Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me and Anmol in association with my tutorial. Today, we are going to continue with our Q, the 50 words of which an intermediate are presented henceforth in front of you. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Quadrangle. Chokorangan. The school has a large quadrangle where children play. Quadriceps. Char मांसपेशियों wala ang. The quadriceps are important for running and jumping. Quadrilateral. Chatushkon. The table is shaped like a quadrilateral. Quadrivium. Char विषयों का समूह. The quadrivium was essential in the study of the sciences in the Middle Ages. Quadruplication. Char guna karna. The company's profit saw a quadruplication last year. Quadruplicate. Char guna. The report needs to be quadruplicated for each department. Quadruminous. Char panjon wala. The quadruminous creatures are known for their dexterity. Quadruplex. Char guna. The system used a quadruplex signaling method. Quasi-periodic. Ardhkalik. The quasi-periodic nature of the signal made it harder to analyze. Quantic. The study of quantic physics has led to many scientific breakthroughs. Quantitate. Matratmak roop se mapna. Scientists need to quantitate the amount of data for the experiment. Quadruplingly. Char guna. The company quadruplingly increased its production to meet the demand. Quantum. The quantum of energy released in the reaction was immense. Means matra. Quarantinable. Sangrodhit karne yogya. The infected person was considered quarantinable to prevent a pandemic. Quartile, chothai. The sales figures are divided into quartiles for better analysis. Quaternary, chaturthak. The quaternary period is characterized by ice ages and the evolution of humans. Quatrainic, char panktiyon wala. The poem was written in quatrainic form. Quaveringly, kampte hue. She spoke quaveringly as she tried to explain herself. Voyage, ghat shulk. The voyage fees for the harbor are expensive. Querulous, शिकायत करने वाला. His querulous tone annoyed everyone in the room. Quiescent, nishkriya. The volcano has been quiescent for centuries. Quietude, shanti. After a long day of work, he sought the quietude of the countryside. Quinate, panch tattvon wala. Quinate compounds are used in the treatment of malaria. Quintet, panchamurti. The quintet performed a beautiful piece of music at the concert. Quadrate, samadvibhuj. The tiles of the floor were quartered in shape, fitting perfectly together. Quintuplicate, 5 guna karna. The company decided to quintuplicate the production output of the next quarter. Quirkiness, ajeebiyate. His quirkiness made him stand out in a crowd. Quizlingism, desh drohita. The regime was overthrown due to widespread quizlingism during the occupation. Quittance, mukti. She received a quittance for a payment on the loan. Quadlibets, koi vishay. The professor invited his students to choose a quadlibet for their debate. Quadlibetical, vishayatmak. His thoughts were more quadlibetical, always ready for discussion. Quadrifoliate, char pattiyon wala. The plant had a quadrifoliate structure with 4 distinct leaves. Quadrifurcate, char bhagon mein vibhajit karna. The river quadrifurcated into 4 separate streams of the valley. Quadrisonic, char dhwaniyon wala. The music system was equipped with quadrisonic speakers for a richer sound everywhere. Quadrivalent, char guni. The vaccine is quadrivalent, protecting against 4 different strains of the virus. Quadrivaltine, 4 बार उत्पन्न होने वाला. The quadrivaltine species produces offspring 4 times during the year. Quadrupling, 4 गुना करना. The company is quadrupling its investment in the next quarter. Quasi-static, ardhasthir. The quasi-static approximation is useful in analyzing slow mechanical processes. Quahog, एक प्रकार का समुद्री शंख. We had a delicious seafood dinner with quahog clams. Quercene, oak के पेड़ से संबंधित. The quercene properties of the wood made it ideal for furniture making. Quercitol, एक रासायनिक यौगिक. Quercitol is one of the compounds that can be extracted from oak bark. Questing, खोज करना. The knight spent years questing for the Holy Grail. Questionably, संदिग्ध रूप से. His actions were questionably motivated, making people suspicious. Quicksilvered, pare jaisa. The quicksilvered movements of the dancer mesmerized the audience. Quiescence, nishkriyata. The valley lay in peaceful quiescence, undisturbed by any noise. Quintessential, sarvottam. The Eiffel Tower is often considered the quintessential symbol of Paris. Quintile, panchva hissa. The data was divided into quintiles for better analysis. Quirkishly, ajeeb tarike se. He smiled quirkishly with a little tilt of his head. Quixotically, prakritik roop se. She quixotically dreamed of changing the world on her own. Quotidian, Rosmarra ka. Her quotidian tasks included cleaning, cooking, and answering emails. That's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.